Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to control your smart bulbs as a group using Alexa or Google Home. Have you experienced the same issue as some of our other customers?
Alexa, turn off living room down light.
Sorry, I didn't find a group or device named Living Room Downlight.
You've created a group in our app, but you're unable to control it with Alexa. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to control your group smoothly with just a word.
Alexa, turn off living room down light.
Now, let's take a look. We'll use Alexa as an example for this setup. First, we need to add our app to Alexa. Tap the Skills, Games in Alexa app. Then search Freshen Smart Life to link our app to Alexa app. After that, Alexa will sync all the smart lights to Alexa. By now, you have done the 80% of the setting. Then tap See All in the devices to create and name a room or device group. Add the devices you want to this room. Tap the Next to choose the Alexa devices you want to use to control your smart bulbs. Well done! You have finished all the steps. Now you can control the group by Alexa.